Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I just wanted to showcase the 10-ounce Scottsdale Stacker bar. Now I've done a previous video on these bars where I've gone into more detail about the history, etc. But I just wanted to kind of do a video just to showcase them because I just think they're amazing looking bars, really nice. I actually prefer them to the 1 kilogram bars because the 1 kilogram bars still stack, but they just look a bit out of proportion. They look a bit too wide. I think they needed to almost be a little bit flatter and larger instead of like kind of stumpy. And if you've seen the 1 kilogram Scottsdale Stacker bars, you know what I mean. They just look a bit too like stumpy. They need to be made a bit, I think, a bit flatter and a bit bigger. So I think the 10-ounce ones are the perfect size. They fit absolutely perfectly into this container. This is an airtight container, so it keeps them from tarnishing a little bit longer. But you'll see in a minute when I open this container how well they fit in here. There's 10 bars in total, and they literally fit in there so snug. This is the reason why it was so easy for me to get 10 bars, because every time I brought another one, I was like, I worked it out that I could get exactly 10 in here, and I was like, I have to get 10 now. I can't not get 10 because they fit in here so nice. So it almost motivated me to keep buying them. So heavy. This is obviously 100 ounces in total. Really heavy. Some of these bars are pre-owned, some of them are brand new. I'm going to tip them out now. Absolutely gorgeous bars. Like I said, these are by far my favourite silver bars. I think the 10-ounce bars is a great size to stack. I've always said that I wouldn't go bigger than a 1 kilogram silver bar just because it becomes harder to find a buyer. And when I do eventually sell in the future, I'm hoping that the spot price is going to be a hell of a lot higher than now. So, because I don't plan to sell for another like 30 years or so. So the bigger the bar, the harder it's going to be to find a buyer. So I think the 10 ounces are a really nice size. But these bars are just amazing bars. They're just, you'll see what I mean. If you look at the bigger ones of these, they just don't look in proportion. They look too thick. They look too stubby. They should have made them, in my opinion, a bit kind of flatter and just larger overall. I think that would have looked really cool, stacking them up like that. But some people seem to really like them still. Just for me personally, I prefer the 10 ounces. Now, they just literally, like when you think of silver stacking, you can't get any more stacking than actual stacking the bars up. They just interlock. It reminds you of playing with Lego or something when you're a child. It's just so satisfying to see them all stacked up like that. And it makes them storage so much easier because obviously they stack and they're so much easier to store. You've just seen the container they came out of. Like, they just stack so nice, so snug. Really cool looking bars. Let me know your thoughts on these bars. Do you have any in your stack? You do pay a bit of a premium for them, but Scottsdale's such a world-renowned mint. They're quite easy to shift. Whenever I see these come for sale on the second-hand market, they never last for long, and people just like to buy them. And because you can stack them up, people just like to have them in their stack just to play around with as well. They're bars that you can just mess around with, and yeah, just really nice bars. So yeah, really short video. Haven't really got any more information on these bars for you in this video. I'll leave a link in the description below of another video I did going into more detail on the bars. For now, I just kind of wanted to get them out again and showcase them because yeah, I just think they're amazing silver bars. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you have any of these in your stack? And what are your thoughts on them? I'll add a couple of pictures below of them stacked up. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous looking bars. So yeah, thanks very much for watching my videos. As always, I hope you have a nice day.